Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Bruce Boghosian. I'm the president of the American University of Armenia, and it's my pleasure to welcome you here today for today's public discussion. AUA is proud to be co-organizing this event with the Ministry of Nature Protection of the Republic of Armenia and the World Bank. In the way of background, the Republic of Armenia is currently considering a draft law on environmental impact assessment. What we've done today is to invite key members from the working group that drafted this law to present to the public its broader content and its innovations, as well as to discuss some of the more contentious issues about this draft law. The draft law is currently under review by the Republic of Armenia National Assembly. It is, however, still possible for the public and various stakeholders to propose changes to the draft legislation. In order for people to have an opportunity to formulate informed opinions about this matter, there is a clear need for public education regarding the draft law, and that is what motivated today's event. Today's panelists will present and discuss various aspects of the draft law, including probably among other things, including types and definitions of project categories that are subject to environmental impact assessment, responsibilities of state agencies involved in the process of environmental impact assessments, mechanisms for public participation in strengthening the role of the public in environmental impact assessments, new economic valuation concepts that have replaced the older approach of ecological yield. And these can range from ecosystem service valuation all the way to biosphere valuation, and really involve issues that are at the frontiers of ecology, economics, and ethics. Another topic is the liabilities of all the parties involved in environmental impact assessments. Another topic is the role of one-stop shops in environmental impact assessments for natural resource exploitation. In other words, a single permit procedure that covers all necessary permits. And as I said, I'm sure there'll be many other topics discussed today. The current draft law came about after the Republic of Armenia president vetoed a previous version in 2012. To comply with international commitments, specifically the Aarhus and Espoo conventions, an intergovernmental committee was created by the decree of the Prime Minister, who charged the Ministry of Nature Protection to draft the new law. The Ministry of Nature Protection, in turn, created a working group comprised of some experts and civil society representatives. Mr. Simon Papian, first Deputy Minister of Nature Protection, who will be the first speaker at today's event, headed the working group that drafted the current version of the draft law, which is currently under consideration by the National Assembly. So these topics are all very relevant and important, and today's event, therefore, promises to be very interesting. Again, my thanks to you for attending. My very best wishes for a successful public discussion. Without further ado, I would like to turn the floor over to Alan Amirkhanyan, the director of AUA's Acopian Center for the Environment, who, after a few remarks on today's topic, will introduce the speakers. Thank you very much.